it's my first job. I did Google certifications in search, display, and video. No, I was back in Pakistan then. I came to Dubai on a 3 months visit visa, and I started hunting job, applying actively on LinkedIn. I landed my first job in 1 month. It took me 3 months to get comfortable with the UI.
Hello, digital marketers. Welcome to another video of Senator We Run Ads. Today, this video is about the questions you have been asking me about how to find a job in Dubai in digital marketing, how to scale your career, and how to even start working in digital marketing. Today with me is Abrar, who will be the best person to answer all these questions. Just to give you a little bit of introduction, Abrar has been working with my team for last 2.5 years. So this is his first job, and I know I have been getting a lot of questions about how to start a career in digital marketing. What do companies expect in Dubai if we start to working for an advertising agency? So for all those questions, I thought Abrar is the best person to ask these questions. So I invited Abrar to this particular video on my channel. Hi Abrar, welcome to the channel and this particular video.
Hi Wes, thank you. Thank you for having me. Being a student of digital marketing, it's a great honor for me to share my thoughts with the people who are looking for any help. And thank you.
So Abrar, just to give everyone an introduction who is watching this particular video, can you tell us where are you from and what's your designation? What do you do in your current job role?
I'm a digital marketing and programmatic executive at Bupin. And main part of my job is client handling and client satisfaction. I handle clients of all scales. For small to medium clients, I handle them from brief till reporting. And for larger scale clients, I'm more into campaign execution and campaign setup and reporting. There are actually 4 parts of my job. First is working on the client's brief and creating a 360 digital marketing proposal, including media plan. Mm-hmm. And second part of my job is helping clients getting through the pre-campaign setup. So there are some protocols that we have to follow, and there are some accesses like Facebook page access, Google Analytics access, Google Tag Manager access that we need to get in order for us to set up tracking in a proper way and get started with the campaign setup. Third part of my job is actually the campaign setup and campaign optimization. So once we set up the campaign on all the ads platform according to the media plan. Fourth and the final part of my job is campaign reporting. So once a campaign is finished, being a digital marketing, it's our job to report and report the KPIs. What did we learn from this campaign and how we can optimize it, and how can we use this data to minimize the costs and maximize the returns.
Okay, how long have you been in Dubai?
I've been in Dubai for 2.5 years now, and it's my first job.
What platforms do you use to set up campaigns in on a regular day?
It depends on the media plan actually, but usually most of our campaigns are on Facebook Ads Manager, Instagram, Google Display, YouTube, then programmatic platforms and programmatic video. Then we have campaigns on third-party publishers as well.
Okay, which you do from DV360 deals.
Yeah, we do it through DV360, and we do direct bookings too.
Okay, so Abrar, before you started your first job, which was in the same team like my team, how were you introduced to digital marketing? Did you do a course before your first job? Can you tell us about that?
I am a computer engineering graduate. Mm-hmm. I was doing some courses. I did some short courses during my degree, but after the graduation, I wanted to make it official. So I did a nano degree from Udacity in digital marketing. And along with that, I did Google certifications in search, display, and video, and Facebook Blueprint course.
So, okay, Udacity and Facebook Blueprint course, and you did the other courses you mentioned were on Google Skill Shop, right?
Yes.
And the Udacity course you did, was it back in Pakistan or here in UAE?
No, I was back in Pakistan then.
Okay, so you didn't work anywhere, and when you came to UAE, it was with the intention to work here in digital marketing field, right?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
before coming to here, what preparations did you do to like? Did you do any kind of preparations, or you directly came here and started looking,
Yeah,
discover?
as I mentioned earlier, I did the nano degree and I did the courses. Uh, at that time, after doing these courses and nano degree, I was quite confident that if I'll go to Dubai, I'll land job somewhere very decent. So yeah, I came to Dubai on a 3 months visit visa and I started hunting job while being in the Dubai.
And how long did it take you
And
to find the first job?
I didn't want to sound it too easy, but when I started applying actively on LinkedIn, I landed my first job in 1 month.
Okay, which was when we used to work together, right? That was your first job.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, and once you, okay, you had done courses and you came here, you found a job and you started working. Was it different than what you had done in the courses, or was it a very different world?
Yeah, I would say it was a completely different world because in courses, what you learn is it's all about theory and concepts. That is mandatory too. Like I would suggest to go through these courses, but that will give you a very fair understanding of what is going on in this ecosystem. But there is a whole lot science of onboarding a client that you will only learn once you are in a performance marketing team or in a media agency.
I slightly remember when we were interviewing you. Obviously, if you wouldn't have done the courses, you didn't have the fundamental knowledge and theoretical knowledge, we obviously wouldn't probably give you a chance because we were looking for something who can kind of start working immediately. So after you started your first job, what were your challenges briefly, or what do you think the company expects from a fresher who has done courses?
The most challenging part of my job, I would say, it was connecting theory to the practical. So, as you know, it's very fast-paced industry, and you have to adapt accordingly. And you get to know about the terms that are in digital marketing. So, yeah, I would say that was the challenging part of my job.
Because there are a lot of jargons that people use in advertising agencies, which probably
And
you.
yeah, and one thing that I would specifically like to mention here, that we work with third-party publishers like, let's say, Emirat Al Yom in this region and Emirates 24/7. This was the thing that I only learned once I was 3 months in my job. So you got my point.
Yeah.
So there are concepts and theories that you can learn from the courses, but there are few things that you'll only learn once you are in the job.
Yeah, that's true. So Abrar, in between, I want to ask you a question. Like, I get a lot of messages from people who are new and they just want to start their career in digital marketing. They kind of want to understand how to start, okay? Or people who want to come to Dubai to work in digital marketing, they probably have a little bit of experience. So I started a way long back. I don't remember exactly, but what do you think, what is the best way to start the career in digital marketing from scratch if you decided it today and you don't know anything yet?
Okay, so as we have discussed so far, that there are two parts of this job. One is theory, one is practical skills. For theory, I would suggest doing courses from Google Skillshop in all the three areas, search, display, and video. And for Facebook, I would suggest Facebook Blueprint. This would most of it. This would cover most of your theory part, and it will give you the concepts, and it will give you a fair understanding of what's going on. For the practical part, I would suggest try to have a internship in some media buying agency.
Yes, yeah,
So
because
yeah, because there you can apply your theory with the practical skills.
yes, and that too, when you do an internship, you obviously will be specialized in something programmatic or display or search or social media marketing. So now that Abrar, you have been working in dedicated in the programmatic team, programmatic advertising team. So how was your experience from you have done courses on Facebook and Google Ads, then you moved to programmatic, mostly working on DV360 and Campaign Manager. So was it any different because you already had probably been working on Google Ads and Facebook for a year when you switched? So was it any different?
Yeah, it was definitely, there was a difference. Programmatic is indeed a very huge tool. And yeah, for you to work on the programmatic, you must have some experience on end users tools like Facebook and Google Ads Manager. This would give you a fair understanding of how to deal with the ad platforms. I won't say that I'm an expert in programmatic. I'm still learning it. It's a very huge tool. So, and every day there are something new that I learn. But initially, it took me 3 months to get comfortable with the UI. But for me to start on programmatic, uh, it took me 1 year on Facebook and YouTube and Google to start working on the programmatic part of my job.
So you said it took you 3 months to get comfortable with the DV360 UI and Campaign Manager.
Yes, exactly. Because the UI here is completely different from Facebook and Google, I would say.
I have a course where I explain all in simple. But anyways,
yeah, I would say that you made it really easy. Yeah, when I started doing the courses, there was nothing on internet. Believe me.
yeah, that's
And all that we had is the Google courses. But yeah, I would say we had the leverage of working with you. So yeah.
Thank you. Okay, so as I understand, so the keyword here is if somebody wants to start a career in digital marketing, first they have to do the Skillshop courses on Google, which are very brilliant. They'll make your fundamentals strong. And then you can go for internship, because internship is very important if you are just starting. It's even better than doing a course online or with any institute, because it's again theoretical, but internship is what will make your base very strong, right?
One thing that I would like to add here is when it comes to internship, don't bother about the paid or unpaid. Just have an internship in media buying agency and start learning the stuff. Believe me, after 3 months, you would be you would be in very good position to have a very good job in media buying agency.
Exactly. It pays off later, right? It pays off later. If that's what I suggest everyone. Initially, I would say in the first 2 years of your career, you should not focus on anything except learning. If you are getting an opportunity to learn, you should always go for it. And then
yeah, when I started my job, it was not even the Facebook and Google advertising. It was completely different. So I started from bookings, third-party bookings, and then I was promoted to Facebook and Google Ad Manager campaigns, and yeah, finally then programmatic.
Yes, I remember that. So that's why I mentioned in the beginning, you are one of the people I admire how you scaled up. And that's why I brought you to this particular video to help people, and probably someone can get inspired. Within 2.5 years, Abrar, you started working. You started with direct bookings, then you started with Google Ads, then social. Then I remember you used to work a lot on Google Analytics and Tag Manager. Then you moved to programmatic.
Yes.
And probably you are one of the knowledgeable persons in programmatic in our team. So that's admirable. So, and one last thing I would like to mention is a lot of people ask me, okay, I'm a fresher with 6 months experience, or I have done a course. Can I still come to Dubai? Do I have a chance to get a job? Yes, you do. But the difference it will make, the kind of job you can land, and the difference if you have 1 year experience and a skill. Let's say you are an expert in Google Ads and or YouTube or programmatic or any of these products. Then if you come with a 1 year or 1.5 years experience with solid experience, you can land a way better job. So my personal recommendation is, if you are willing to come to UAE, or that for that matter any other country, you're going from India or Pakistan or any other country, first make a solid experience, be an expert in one of the modules, and then try. You can still land, if you do not have any experience at all, you can still land a job, but I would prefer the coming after solid experiences. And also one more question that I usually get asked is, shall I focus on one particular module and all of like Google Ads, social media marketing, or shall I focus on social media or Google? What do you say, Abrar?
I would say at one time focus on one thing only. Okay, so people usually confuse it with like programmatic is so fascinating. They try to start from the programmatic. I would suggest first start from end user tools like Facebook and Google, and then when you get comfortable with these tools and you know what exactly targeting options do we have in these tools, and how bidding strategies work and how to optimize campaign, then start learning programmatic. And yeah, that's what I would suggest, from Facebook and Google to programmatic.
I would say the same thing. Be an expert in something, but at the same time, you should have a little bit idea about how this thing works. But be strong in one thing, even if it's PPC, even if it's YouTube or programmatic or display only or social media marketing, or even if it's just LinkedIn, even if it's just Facebook and Instagram. But you have to always remember, any of the modules you go for, always you have to understand the importance of tracking and reporting tools as well, like Google Analytics, Tag Manager. That is a given in whichever module you choose, right?
Exactly. For you to get going along this way, you need to have skills, these skills, like all this tracking and campaign setup on these tools, and then you can learn programmatic.
Okay, one last question, Abrar, is a lot of people ask me, is it better to apply from here outside UAE for jobs, or you have to be physically here? What do you suggest, considering everything, the hassle of coming here and looking for a job overall?
Yeah, I would say that, yeah, it entirely depends on your budget. So if you have budget, if you have some time and you can take some risks, then I would say come here and then start your job hunt, because recruiters really prefer who are inside the UAE, because for them visa process gets really very simplified if a person is who is looking for job is inside Dubai. If you do not have budget and you want to play safe, then I would say start applying on the LinkedIn, and while being in your country, whether it's India or Pakistan. And yeah,
for people who are already working there, I don't think it's a wise option for them to resign and come back here. Probably it'll take them a little bit time on applying on LinkedIn, but I think it's advisable to be working there and then apply, because a lot of people we know that come they apply from there, they get selected and they come here, as far as you're good at what you are doing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that was very nice talking to you, Abrar, and thank you so much. And to everyone, I hope this was helpful and it answers your questions. I will see you in the next one.